Atkins Meal Plan for Healthy Eating. Transform your eating habits with the Atkins Meal Plan for Healthy Eating. This plan focuses on balanced nutrition, aiming to improve your overall well-being without sacrificing taste. Enjoy meals that are as satisfying as they are nutritious. The Atkins Meal Plan for Healthy Eating promotes a balanced intake of essential nutrients, supporting overall well-being. It's designed to keep blood sugar levels stable, which can help reduce cravings and prevent energy crashes. The plan encourages the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods, fostering better digestive health and nutrient absorption.